Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi Note 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find notifications and control center. Now we have to scroll down again to the very bottom actually and tap on the status bar. As you can see here, we've got the option battery indicator, so all you have to do is simply tap on it, and here we've got three another options which we can customize, which we can choose actually. So here we've got this option applied, so as you can see on the status bar we've got only the battery icon, but we can choose also the option with the percentage inside the battery icon or next to the battery icon. So of course it's up to you which option you'd like to set. I will pick this one, so just tap on it, and as you can see it is immediately applied, and from now on right next to the battery icon we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. So actually that's all. This is how to show battery percentage in the status bar in your Redmi Note 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.